watching YouTube while we're outside?
Yate Metakiapi, welcome to Navajo Man Lakota Bay's YouTube channel. We're here live. Sorry, I'm trying to use my indoor voice in the outdoor world. We're here live in Spearfish Canyon. It's a beautiful day. It's a long time we haven't seen this place. We got the Twin Indians, got Lakota Bay here, got Auntie Lakota, got Grandpa. Shout out to Grandpa and Grandma, aka also subscribe to their channel at Purple Thunder Night. Yeah, we're just out here living the dream. And I know it's been a while since we went live or since we vlogged, but we're back. Welcome back. Man, look at that though. That's $1 million shot and he's all. So I know it's been a long while since we did vlog, but letting y'all know that we are back. We just didn't have any content, so that's why we haven't vlogged. So now that fall time's here, a lot of things are happening. Back at the Jeep, one of the little guys had to go to the restroom, so we did go to the restroom. There's a lot of people, so now he's going behind the Jeep. We got Mama Bear and twin cubs are playing in the water. Oh yeah, y'all don't know Auntie Lakota's birthday. She had her birthday how many days ago now?
3 days ago.
3 days ago.
We're celebrating today.
Yeah, we're celebrating today. So y'all wish her happy birthday. Comment down below. Also follow her on Instagram at Autumn White Eyes.
Yes.
Damn, look at that. Bless me. Make me become a millionaire. On make a million, he's all. Make a million, come on, hit me. Dang. What do you think, Roger?
Nice. Beautiful day.
Yep. Yep. It's now fall time, so y'all know what it is. Yeah, we're just gonna let the Twin Indians play around for a bit. They did have a soccer game today, but I did not vlog it due to it's just too hot and too overwhelming. So they do play in a soccer team in Rapid City with all these Balagana kits or Shichu kits, and they do good. But they're the youngest in the team, so they're still trying to learn. But trying to teach them how to be competitive at an early age. Kujigo Falls. This way. Go that way. Go that way if you want to fall down, it said. Did you get scared? Get in there, little boy. All right, look at that. Wichone, yeah, wichone, yeah. Wichone, wichone, yeah. Wichone, wichone, yeah. There was a boy who was part deer and part human. He's all, yeah. Many moons ago, the relatives journey. All right, let's go back this way, guys. Oh my God, look, real Indians. God, please. This is how Indians back in the day used to chill. A long time ago. Many, many moons ago, Jannah. Oh my God. I read about them in history books, he's all. So I did bring my drone. I was gonna fly it and show you guys the beauty of the land. But we did vlog this place a couple of times, so y'all can go check it out on other vlogs. I will plug it in this video down below. But yeah, anyways, y'all know I charged it all, everything, but my freaking app needs to download it, but there's no service here. So SOL, forget, it will be plugged right up here. That other video that you guys want to see, the aerial footage of this place. I haven't vlogged in a long time. Obviously, rusty at this, Lakota Bay and I. But remember, it's good to take a little break from social media. That's what we kind of did that. And so now here we are trying to get back into the swing of vlogging. But don't worry. Don't worry. We'll be right back in the saddle, y'all. Y'all just stay tuned. Just watch. Anyways, back to the vlog. Commercial break's over. We just got done with our little walk. It was hardcore, like beautiful, beautiful. Obviously y'all saw it, but now we're on our way to the pumpkin patch and we're gonna go mosey our way down right now. Damn, somebody's dog just got into a fight right there. See y'all there. Oh, we made it to the corn maze and the pumpkin patch here in Spearfish, South Dakota. Grandpa again, everybody's here, the whole gang, the whole squad. We're gonna go pay in here and then we're gonna go have a grand old time. So update, we're sitting here, we're the greeters, huh, Tani? We're just greeting everybody. Everybody had to go to the restroom the last minute, so we're gonna go in here in a bit once everybody gets here. Any words for the camera, little man? Yes, hello, little man. I want to interview you, sir. Okay. I guess we'll come back around to that guy someday. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a lot of vendors too over here. They got concession stands, porta potties. They got the entrance right here. We had to pay. I don't know how much it was, but it was a good amount. Yeah, it's good for a family outing. Then we got all the pumpkin patches over here. Then they got a corn. Oh, they got a corn box right here. Playgrounds and stuff over here, which we'll film. And then they got corn maze over here too. Oh, look at your corn. Look at your pumpkin. Just cute. Should I hold it in my backpack for you?
Yeah.
All right. Tani, let me see yours.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, this is all the pumpkin patch or pumpkin. How come those ones look all weird? Yeah, look at that big one over there. I think we're gonna get on the hayride. Oh man, look at that. Is that John Deere? Is that Tractor John or Farmer John?
Yeah.
All right. Heavy equipment operator coming through. Dang. Where's your brother at? So basically they turned this whole tractor into a playground. Whoa, look at that. Watch out, Indian behind the wheel. It's a dangerous combination. Hey, pumpkin boy, where you at? Was that fast?
Yeah.
Hey, get on down here, Babush. Careful, careful, the ground's hot lava. Use both hands on this rope over here. Okay, that's hot lava. Don't touch the ground. Don't touch the ground, Tani, hang on, hang on. Oh no, Tani just biffed it, you see that? My God. He's down. We need a medic. We need a medic.
Did that hurt your tummy?
You okay? He jumped all hard. Medic. Careful, Tani.
Go slide down.
All right, slide down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, ooh. Go, Tawny. Go, Tawny. Go, Tawny. Go. Go, pumpkin boy. All right, good job. Good job, Nani. Go get it. Go get it. Ooh. Go play with your brother. There you go. Oh, he lost his bag. Tawny. Tawny, he's mad. Well, let me go get it for him real quick. Tawny.
We gotta go.
Awesome, good job. How was it, Odd?
It was scary.
You want to try again? He's making a run for it again. Now. Awesome. Again. Go up there again. Good job, boys. How was it, Mama?
Scary. Hey.
Try again. He's going back up there again by
He could
himself.
go again by himself.
Okay. So we're going up now. I'm going up with Nathlani. You okay? Okay. All right. That's pretty steep. Good thing I'm not allergic to hay, he's all. I know. Smells like I'm at NAPI, he's all. Okay. Whee! Whoa! Whoa, that was cool. Was that fun? Come on, somebody's coming down. Shoot, my pants fell off. Damn, boy, you're so fast. Goddamn. You're faster than an African road runner. Here we go. Once again, guys. It's like I'm working at NAPI all over again, he's all. All right, go ahead, slide down. You got it, Tani. All right, Nani, just like you're putting on your pants, okay? All right, here we go. Oh my God, watch out! Oh my God, that was close. Damn, I almost smoked a little girl. I ran into a little girl. Oh, my backpack. Damn, I almost smoked a little girl. She was all in my way. I was like, but luckily my dad reflex happened. My dad reflex really is on point. Stopped as if she was my own kid. I was like, you know what? Not today, little girl. Not today. Daddy's here. Daddy's here. All right, looks like we got ourselves a spot in the tractor ride. Let's,
No.
all aboard, hurry. The Hogwarts Express. All right, let's go sit over here. This is the last ride of the day, Jinne. So we are going to be jumping on this last ride. And yeah, so far so good. It was kind of hot today though. I did kind of break a few sweat here and there. Almost blacked out, he's all. All right, here we go. Look at that. Takes me back at working at NAPI, he's all. Damn. What are they doing out there? Damn, look at that all those pumpkin patches. Dang. This is cool. Hopefully it's not too bumpy on my back. My back's all sore right now. Need my icy hot.
It's a great pumpkin.
Alright, look at that.
There's a giant pumpkin over there by itself.
What is that?
Do you like it? Reporting live from the pumpkin patch of Spearfish, South Dakota. Kutanalan. Damn, look at all those pumpkins. Those are big. Holy. Damn, girl. That windmill looks like the one by my grandma's house in Navajo Nation. I'm just kidding. Do you like it, Tani? Do you like it? Where's Jeepers Creepers at? He's driving. Stop. Angel said he's driving the tractor. Man, look at all that corn there. Oh, corn pollen you could just collect. I'm just kidding. Grab my 5-gallon bucket. I'm gonna collect the pollen. I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is a Navajo paradise right here. This is where all the Taradin. On the way back, we're gonna grab it. We're gonna reenact Dark Winds. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Let me win that Mega Million. He's all. Mega Million, Mega Million. I shall do. Look.
Where we went down there.
Whoa.
I wanna go go.
On the train.
We can go on there next, okay?
Yeah, we'll be over there soon.
I go that way.
Yeah, we're gonna go and buy the corn again.
Children of the corn here. Malachi and Alakai.
My mommy should buy teeth.
Yeah. Shin Sonics is probably in there.
No, next one ain't there.
Oh, snake. He said there's a snake in there. Yeah. Look for Malachi and Alakai.
Snake trap.
Malachi. All right, guys, we're gonna jump on this trike. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
This trike here. And we're gonna ride off into the sunset. Angel fell off this earlier, but I didn't vlog it. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a couple of days. Till then, see y'all later. Help me push it real quick. Okay. Watch it, Nani. Tani. Beep beep. Push it again. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my legs are burnt. Okay.